Hola!
Garmon.
Oh, Yama!
Guru, scoundrel fiend, who dares wake brave Garmon from his well-needed kip? I have no intent to disturb Sir Bug. I'm merely passing these towers and sought to better understand the lay of the place. Knowing the battlefield.
Mamido!
Just look at you. Your stance and blade almost alone they declare a fight. As the bravest of knights, if direct challenge were offered, honor would see noble Garmon accept. Fortunate this seems not your intent. In truth, I'm sleeping off something of an altercation myself. Had our meeting called for a knightly duel, you'd not have had the luck to behold my finest form. Sure, buddy. Right, anyway. Mind yourself while you're a great winged beast has been stalking the heights, swooping without warning and tearing the life out of unwary travelers. I believe I've seen the creature you speak of. It may have marked me as prey and followed me down onto the lower roads of the moor. Oh, the big thing that was like, Khan! Flying away and I didn't really see. What? Crew, the beast has been spotted. Once Zaza has fully rested, we'll set to tracking it down. You will die. Hello. How's it going? Welcome back to Hollow Knight Silksong. Okay, so this whole area we have yet to explore. Okay, can't jump up there. There's that there. No, which is just as simple as that. More rosary, I will happily take that. This is a boss fight area. I am not prepared. I am definitely, first of all, you need to die. You are absolutely going to get in my way. Give me your little shards. Boss fight area? Seems like a big old open area. Wasn't it? Oh, there's just more rosary. Okay, hold up. Can't make that shit. Oh, maybe this is where I get the double jump. Hold on. Let's see what I can. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get those. Is that nothing? Seriously? Okay, whatever. Maybe I won't get the double jump here. I want to get the sorceries though. Oh, what? Oh, this is definitely... Oh, yep, it's one of these. I knew it. Ooh, not a fan of the dive bombing, gotta say. Ow, I ran right into that. Dang, I don't have any projectiles left either. I have, like, a couple, but, like, not enough to be helpful. And also, since they're flying, I don't think projectiles are going to be very helpful, period, here. Ow. Aw, really? Aw, really? Well, whatever. Aw, dang, I'm all the way back here. Well, I know where to go at least. Yeah. I was not prepared for that shit, but whatever. I can just run all the way back. Or I could do that. Yeah, that works too. And a few birds. My nose is itchy. That's unrelated. Oh wait, no. I have to get up via here. Don't I? Wait. Oh. Yes, this is where I was. Hey. I'm not trying to have you on my way back to myself. I mean, like, so I can heal myself if I can. I went this way, didn't I? Yeah. Gimme. Off to a good start. Oh, I'm glad you didn't frickin' get me that time. Damn it. Keep jumping. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, damn. I'm doing shit today. Okay, I gotta be more careful. Because, goddamn. That shit. That ain't it. Let me get past. Nope. See ya. Just leave me alone, birdies. Yeah, they really just flew. I must have activated something to like get them aggro towards me, because all they did before was just fly away, and now they're like, I'm gonna actually decide to kill you now. Okay, well that's great. Uppity. Okay. That's probably what you said, but I won't go all, so. Okay, alright, you bitches. Damn it, I jumped freaking high with that shit. Okay, this dive bomber has gotta go. Like, actually. Damn it. Damn it. Man, why? Okay, I immediately hate these enemies. Damn, I've never sucked that hard as just like one of those little like fight things before. And now I'm getting my freaking ass kicked. Okay, I was gonna, okay, alright. You know what? Well, I was gonna go in, I was gonna kill you guys and go in with full silk, but I guess never mind then. I'll just get my ass handed to me, that's fine. Frickin' a half, man. Now I gotta kill these guys to get my health back. God forbid I lose myself. That would suck ass. Okay, I still don't know what this lowers, man. I don't know what to do with this. I don't know if this is like an extra power up and it makes you stronger, but like a temporary stronger, but like I don't know. God, I spent the first 5 minutes of this shit doing this shit and getting my ass whooped. Like, good lord. Okay. At least it takes me... I mean, it takes a while to run back, but it doesn't take that long, I guess. If I know where I'm going and I don't fail the jumps, then it takes not a lot of time, but, well, you know. Okay. Damn it, I hate this. You know what? I have projectiles too. They're not very helpful towards me right now. It's really a waste of them too. Considering, you know. Come on! Okay, finally. Well, that's one. Oh god, more of these guys? Well, you know what? They suck, but they're not as bad as... Yeah, immediately out of projectiles. They're not as bad as the other guy, thankfully. I can kind of get a handle on them. Oh god, well actually you were not that bad. You are distracting me. Damn it! Oh, I should have gone further? Okay, that's fine. Combination of the dive bombers and the other enemies is really just the worst. Okay, up. Nope, I'm right. I thought I got you. I did not. Come on. Okay, we're carrying each other, so I didn't get hit. Short too soon. No, don't fly, you son of a bitch. Come here. Thank you. Okay. Alright, more dive bombers. That's fine. I can handle these. Okay, I say as I get my ass handed to me. Damn it. Damn it. Ah, damn it. Frick. I swear to God if I die again. Right as soon as I said something. I'm gonna have to do this shit off camera. Because I hate this. I just hate it. I just straight up hate it. Nope, I'm not. Oh my god! Bro, can I just get past you without dying, please? Christ! sick of this shit! Oh my god. Bro. I actually can't with this shit. I don't get 80 kills from you because you fell in the water. Why do I even bother? Good lord, man. I hate this. Like, legitimately, I hate this. Should I try one more time, or should I just attempt it off camera? I'm already running there. So it's already, like, half of the time taking process, whatever. I think I'll just do it off camera. Watch, I'm gonna do it once, and then just immediately just get it. Because that always happens. Every time I'm like, I'm gonna do this off camera. This might take a while. And then I frickin' do it first try. That always happens. Okay. I'm gonna pause and just do this off camera, and watch, I'm gonna get it first try. Okay, I'm back. I finally got it. Pain in the frickin' ass. I didn't do it on the first try. What the hell is this? Oh, can I bounce? It's a bounce. Good to know. What the hell did that do? Okay, it activated change back there. Cool. That did something. Interesting. But what though? Oh. Sweet. You're gonna be a pain in my ass. Yeah, get out of here. Okay. Alright, bet. Okay. Hard to get a handle on, but not too bad. So instead of a double jump, I get to do this. Oh, fun. Okay, well, shit. I assume that activated it everywhere? Oh boy, that is hard to get a handle on. Okay. Interesting. Oh, yeah, they are indeed everywhere. Oh boy. Oh. Nope. I'm up here now. Nope. Man, this is gonna be hard to get a handle on. Okay. Oh, no. You... Yeah, I'm not dealing with any more of you guys. Get the hell out of here. Leave me alone. Get out of my goddamn way. I'm so sick of you. Just die. Come on, you son of a bitch. Get out of my way. You are so in my way right now. I do not feel like having you be alive around me in my presence. Come on, bro. Just get down here. Thank you. Right. Okay. I'm fine. I'll get up there. Can I use bouncy? Nah. I gotta use a different bouncy. Something else. Freaking dive bombers. No. No. I hate these birds. They're the worst enemy so far. What is this? Oh, hey. Oh. I've been here. Haven't I been here? The whole left side? Yeah, I've explored this whole left side. I just activated a... Okay, cool. Shortcut. Nice. What if there's these bouncy balls on the left side, though? That's like... Christ almighty, I'm falling so far. Oh, that's gonna get annoying. That's gonna get annoying real quick. I can already tell. That's gonna get really annoying. Oh, come on. Okay. Up. Uppity. No. Oh, hey, there's a flea there. I think I called it a fly last time, but that's not correct. Okay, I gotta go around the other side. Oh god. No. Get the hell out of my way. I don't care for you. Never have, never will. Might as well heal. Might as well. You guys are actually a pleasure to fight now. Hey, buddy. Oh, you got the thing. I got you, boy. Oh, whoa. Bye. What did I do? Oh, okay. Sweet. Sweet. I'll have to take that. Okay. Oh, that's all I got up there. Nice. Oh, dang, I should have stayed up there so I could make my way back up quicker. Ever so slightly quicker, but whatever. No, let me try. Here. I like I can kinda get a chain on that shit going. Die. What did I activate there? Oh, interesting. Can I make it? No. I gotta do this. Come on. Oh, come on! Don't hit it don't hit it sideways. God, I hate that I can't do a straight shot down unless it's like, it's very, very specific with how it wants you to hit it. And that is very annoying. Low-key. Okay, back up here. Or I could just miss it entirely. Yeah, that works too. No. Christ almighty. Okay. Got it, there we go. Oh god. I am not prepared for this. Okay, not that bad. Oh, great, and I get to deal with you. Lovely. No, you're my favorite. You're the best. Really? You're gonna bother me here now? No. Get out of here. Bro. Bro, if I die to you, I swear to God, I'm leaving. Leave me alone! No, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, why are there so goddamn many enemies around? Bro. I'm going this way. I don't care. I'm getting away from here. I need to fight enemies that won't kill me immediately. So, not any of you. Oh, cool. No, yeah, I wanted a dead end. That's lovely. Bro, I'm gonna die to this one bird. Where the hell am I? Why can't I leave? Nope, I'm going this way, actually. Do I even want to go this way? It's a dead end. I need to fight, like, an easier enemy. Not the assholes I was dealing with. What the hell is this, first of all? Bro, I'm gonna die, and then I'm gonna have to run all the way back. That's nothing? Okay, sure, whatever. Great. What was the point of going up there, besides just almost getting killed by that guy? This is a bad idea fighting these guys. Yep, there I go. Whatever, it's fine. Totally on a pit. Man, should I even bother going back there? I have to end the episode anyway. Although, no, I still have one. I still have one more to do this, don't I? I do. Oh, no, bro! This is the issue I dealt with last time. Frickin', man. I'm gonna run past this guy. Frickin' kick my ass. It's fine, everything's fine. I need to backtrack for the 5 millionth time. Because holy shit, that's the only bench in this entire frickin' land. Like, literally. I found no other bench except for that one. Which is so goddamn annoying. Especially when I'm on literally the complete opposite side of the map. Okay. I'm back here now. And I'm immediately failing at the jumps. This is great. Give me my shit back. I'm not dealing with you assholes. You can suck my everything. I don't want to be here. I want to go. Oh, cool. I want to go where they are. What the shit? Hold on. What's that? And why was I not there before? Why did I... Okay, I kind of wanted to do that, but also not. Get you in a corner, bitch. Okay. I'm taking that. Great version of swing. Shit. Give me that. I have 600. There's no point in frickin' just, like, keeping them as the strings. If I die, then, you know, that one version of swing ain't gonna help me. I gotta be so honest. Okay. I just need to, like, just kill these guys. Otherwise, they're just gonna be a pain in the ass. Okay, can that rosary come to me, please? Thank you. Please and thank you. Okay. Now, there was this asshole I would like to deal with. Oh my god, I'm gonna die again! Bro. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, you little shit. I'm going to kill you. That just barely avoided me. Come here. Thank you, Lord. Okay. I'm not doing anything else this episode. Impossible. Well, no, I don't have to. I'm not in any immediate danger. Okay, but I'll continue jumping on these balls and getting mad in the next episode. But for now, I'm gonna leave this one here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.